A line will be a tangent to the given circle if and only if the length of perpendicular from the center on the line is always equal to the radius of the circle. If the line touches the circle at only one point, then it is called as the tangent to the circle. Whenever a line touches the circle, then the length of perpendicular from the center is equal to the radius. The condition for the circle to touches the y-axis is f square is equal to c, right? Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed regarding finding the length of tangent whenever it is intercepted on x-axis and y-axis, as well as problems based on concyclic circles. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding point of intersection of a line and a circle. So, the point of intersection of a line and a circle. So, let us consider a circle. So, to find the point of intersection for any line and the circle. Now, the point of intersection of a line and a circle. Now, with a line and a circle, we have the following three conditions. What are the three conditions? First one, the first case is the line may cut the circle at any 2 points. So, the line will cut the circle at the points A and B. Let the line will cut the circle at point A and point B as shown in this diagram. In this case, the length of perpendicular from the center. So, suppose if minus g comma minus f is the center, the length of perpendicular, let us call it as Cm. Cm, the length of perpendicular from minus g comma minus f, the length of perpendicular from the center is less than the radius. So, the length Cm is less than the radius of the circle. Suppose here this AB is called the length of the chord. AB is the length of the chord of the circle. Now, so first case, the line may cut the circle at any 2 points. If the line may cut the circle at any 2 points A and B as shown in the figure, in this case, the length of perpendicular is less than the radius. Here AB is called the length of the chord. So, this is the length of perpendicular is less than the radius. Now, case number 2. Suppose if the line may be a tangent to the circle. If the line is a tangent to the circle, that is, the line and the circle have only one point of contact, that is one common point. So, that is, this is one common point. In this case, the length of the perpendicular CA, C is the center minus g comma minus f. So, the length of perpendicular is nothing but CA, this is equal to the radius. So, if the length of perpendicular CA is equal to the radius, so the length of perpendicular from the center to the line is equal to the radius. In this case, the length of perpendicular is equal to the radius. See, the first case, if it cuts the chord at 2 points A and B, suppose if a circle cuts the line at 2 points A and B, then the length of perpendicular is always less than the radius. Suppose case number 2, if this line, that is the line, that line is nothing but the tangent. So, the line may be a tangent to the circle. This line will have only one point of contact. Then the length of perpendicular CA is always equal to the radius. Now, case number 3. Suppose if the line and the circle have no points of contact. So, the line, this line L and the circle will have no point of contact as shown in this diagram. In this case, the length of perpendicular from the center to the line is greater than the radius. The length of perpendicular is greater than the radius. So, in this case, the length of perpendicular is greater than the radius of the circle, right? So, these are the three cases arises. So, now, let us know regarding very important observation. A line will be a tangent to the given circle if and only if the length of perpendicular from the center on the line is always equal to the radius of the circle. So, that means if the length of perpendicular is equal to the radius, then the line is said to be a tangent to the circle. So, a line will be a tangent to a given circle if and only if the length of perpendicular perpendicular is equal to radius from the center of the circle, then it is called the tangent. Now, let us recall the formulas regarding the length of a chord. So, length of chord of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, intercepted by the x-axis is 2 times root of g square minus c. Let us recall all the formulas which we did in the last class. So, the length of chord to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, intercepted by the x-axis is 2 times root of g square minus c. Similarly, the length of chord to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, intercepted on the y-axis is 2 times root of f square minus c. This is on y-axis and this is on x-axis. Similarly, length of chord intercepted by the line with the given circle is 2 times root of r square minus p square, 2 times root of r square minus p square. Now, similarly, condition for the circles to touch the x-axis is c is equal to g square. So, if g square is equal to c, then the circle will touch the x-axis. Similarly, the condition for the circles to touch the y-axis is f square is equal to c. So, if c is equal to g square, it will touches the x-axis. If c is equal to f square, it will touches the y-axis. Sixth condition. Condition for the circles to touch both the coordinate axis is g square is equal to f square is equal to c. Suppose if c is equal to g square, then it will touches the x-axis. Suppose if f square is equal to c, then the circle will touches the y-axis, cuts the y-axis. So, touches the y-axis. Condition for the circle which touches both the axes is g square is equal to f square is equal to c. Now, based on this, just define the tangent to the circle. Tangent to the circle, the line touches the circle at only one point is said to be tangent to the circle. If the line touches the circle at only one point, then it is called as the tangent to the circle. Now, let us take few problems based on these conditions. Now, show that the line 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 10y minus 15 is equal to 0. Just find out the center and radius for the given circle. So, what is the given equation? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 10y minus 15 is equal to 0. So, comparing with the standard equation, 2g is equal to minus 6, g is equal to minus 3, 2f is equal to 10, f is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 15. Okay. The center of the circle c is equal to minus g comma minus f, that is minus of minus is plus 3 and minus 5. So, minus into minus plus 3 and minus 5, center is 3 comma minus 5 and the radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So, that is root of g square 3 square is 9, f square 5 square is 25 minus c is equal to minus into minus plus 15. So, this is 25 plus 15, 30, 49, square of 49 is 7, radius is equal to 7. So, what is the radius? 7. Okay. Now, what is to prove? So, show that the line, this is the circle, this is the line, right. So, show that the line 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 touches the circle. We know that whenever a line touches the circle, then the length of perpendicular from the center is equal to the radius. The radius is equal to length of perpendicular. Cp is equal to r. So, what is to prove here is r is equal to Cp. Now, just find out the length of perpendicular from the center. What is the center? Center, what we have? Center is 3 comma minus 5 and the line, what is the line given? 3x minus 4. Line 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, just find out the length of perpendicular. Length of perpendicular from 3 comma minus 5 to line. That is nothing but the radius. So, ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So, that is equal to a is 3 into x1 is also 3 plus b, what is b is minus 4 into y1 is minus 5 and c, what is c? C is plus 6 divided by root of a square plus b square. A square is 3 square is 9 plus b square 4 square is 16. So this is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20 plus 6 divided by root of 16 plus 9 is 25. So what is this equal to? This is 35 divided by square root of 25 is 5. So 35 by 5 is nothing but 7. So this is equal to 7. What do you say? This is nothing but the radius. This is equal to the radius. Equal to the radius. So the length of perpendicular from the center is to the line is equal to the radius. So therefore, what is the condition? The line will cut the circle. That's it. Okay. So since length of perpendicular is equal to radius is equal to 7, therefore the line cuts the given circle. That's it. Therefore the line cuts the given circle. That's it. This is how we are going to solve for 5 marks, right? Move on to the similar type problem. Find the value of k such that the line x plus ky minus 5 is equal to 0 may touch the circle. Same. So what is the condition for the circle to touch the line? That is, the radius is equal to length of perpendicular. Now just find out the center and radius for the circle. Comparing with 2g is equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 1, 2f is equal to minus 6, f is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 6. Therefore the center is minus g comma minus f, that's equal to minus of minus 1 is plus 1, minus of minus 1 minus 3 is plus 3. Center is 1 comma 3 and the radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. G square, 1 square is 1 plus 3 square minus 3 square is 9, minus into minus plus 6. So this is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6 is 16, square of 16 is 4. So center is equal to, center is 1 comma 3 and the radius is equal to 4. Now just find out, since find the value of k, since what is given? Given that length of perpendicular is equal to the radius. Length of perpendicular is equal to the radius. The length of perpendicular from 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 to the line. So the length of perpendicular is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square is equal to the radius. What is the radius? 4. Substitute here. What is a? A is 1 into, this is x1 y1, 1 into 1 plus b is k into y1 is 3, ax1 plus by1 plus c is nothing but here minus 5 divided by root of, so this is equal to 4 divided by root of a square plus b square. A square, 1 square is 1 plus b square is k square. Simplify this. So what you will get? See, given condition is length of perpendicular is equal to the radius. Simplify this. So that is 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3k minus 5, 3 into k is 3k minus 5 divided by root of 1 plus k square is equal to 4. Now what is this equal to? 3k minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 divided by root of 1 plus k square is equal to 4. So this can be written as 3k minus 4 is equal to cross multiplied 4 into root of 1 plus k square. Now squaring on both sides. So what happens? 3k minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 square is 16. Square root gets cancelled, 1 plus k square. Now just apply a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ab. 4 is a 12, 12 2s are 24, 24k is equal to 16 into 1 is 16 plus 16k square. Now transfer to the right hand side, put it in order. 16k square minus 9k square, again plus 24k, then plus 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Plus 16 minus 16 gets cancelled. Now, so this can be written as 16 minus 9 is 7, 7k square plus 24k is equal to 0. So we can take k common factor here, k is gone, 7k plus 24 is equal to 0, equate this. So k is equal to 0 or 7k plus 24 is equal to 0, k is equal to 0 or 7k is equal to minus 24, therefore k is equal to minus 24 by 7, that's it, right. So therefore the value of k or k is equal to 0 or k is equal to minus 24 by 7. These are the two values of k. That's it. Hope you followed. So, just very simple. How to find the value of k? So, what is the given condition? The given line will touches the circle. Whenever the line touches the circle means that is the tangent. Just find out the length of perpendicular from the center to the given line and equate it to the radius. We know that the radius is always equal to length of perpendicular from center to the line. So, equate Cp is equal to R and simplify, you will get the value of k. That's it. Okay. Now, move on to a similar type problem. Find lambda if the line 3x plus y plus lambda is equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So, this is also same as that of the previous problem. So, this is given circle and the line, right. So, this is the line. Since the length of perpendicular, call it as a Cp, is equal to the radius. Now, just find out the center for the circle and the length of perpendicular, equate it, you will get the answer. Now, just from this 2g is equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 1, 2f is equal to minus 4, f is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to, what is c? X square, yes, 2g plus 2f and c is equal to minus 5. So, from the line 3x plus y plus lambda is equal to 0, comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, c is equal to lambda. Now, just find out the center. Center c is equal to minus g comma minus f, that is minus of minus 1 is plus 1 and minus of minus 2 is plus 2 and the radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. G square 1 square is 1 plus f square 2 square is 4 minus, what is c? C is equal to minus into minus plus 5, that's equal to root 10. So, radius is equal to root 10. Now, just find out the length of perpendicular. Cp, length of perpendicular is equal to radius. Cp is equal to R. That is, what is the formula? Ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square is equal to R. So, what is a? A is 3 into x1. x1 is the center. The center is 1 comma 2. This is x comma y. Center is 1 comma 2. A is 3, x1 is 1 plus b. B is 1 into y1 is 2 and c. What is c? Is lambda plus lambda divided by root of a square. A square, that is a. What is a? 3 square and b is 1. 3 square is 9 plus 1 is equal to root 10. So, this is 3 ones are 3 plus 2 plus lambda divided by root 10 is equal to root 10. Simplify this. So, this can be written as, so modulus of 5 plus lambda divided by root 10 under mod is equal to root 10. So, this is 5 plus lambda divided by root 10 is equal to root 10 cross multiplied. 5 plus lambda is equal to root of 10 into root of 10, root of 100, that's equal to 10. So, lambda is equal to 10 minus 5, that's equal to 5. So, therefore, the value of lambda is equal to 5. So, lambda is equal to 5 in this case, that's it. Instead of k, it is lambda, same as that of the previous problem. Hope you followed. Okay. Now, k is equal to 5 or k is also equal to, if you consider this as plus or minus 10 for positive. Suppose if 5 plus lambda is equal to minus 10, then lambda is equal to minus 10 minus 5, that is lambda is equal to minus 15. So therefore lambda is equal to 5 or lambda is equal to minus 15 are the two values, right? Okay, followed. Now move on to the next problem. Show that the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 touches the y-axis. Whenever a circle touches the y-axis, what is the condition? See here, it is a condition. For the condition for the circle to touches y-axis is f square is equal to c. For x-axis, g square is equal to c. Now just verify whether f square is equal to c or not. Now the condition, what is the condition? The condition is to prove that f square is equal to c. The condition for the circle to touches the y-axis is f square is equal to c, right? Now just verify it. So find out the value of g, f and c. 2g is equal to 4, g is equal to 2, 2f is equal to minus 3, f is equal to minus 3 by 2 and c is equal to 4, right? F square, now f square is equal to c. What is f square? Minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 4. 3 square is 9 by 4 is equal to 4. Since what is to verify f square is equal to c? If f square is equal to c, then it will touch us, otherwise it won't touch us. So f square, what is f square? F is equal to minus 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. So these two are not equal. So therefore the circle, the given circle, the circle will not touch the y-axis, touches the y-axis. Suppose if f square is equal to 0, then it will touches the y-axis. Now just move on to the next problem. Show that the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0 touches the y-axis. Now let us verify whether, so same, to prove that f square is equal to c, verify whether f square is equal to c or not. Now just find out g. What is 2g? 2g is equal to minus 3, g is equal to minus 3 by 2, 2f is equal to 8, f is equal to 8 by 2 is 4 and c is equal to 16. Now just find out f square. What is f square? 4 square is equal to 16. What is c? C. So now since f square is equal to c, that is 16 is equal to 16. What is c? So therefore the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 8y plus 16 will touches the y-axis. So therefore the given circle, the circle touches the y-axis, right? That's it. So in the previous case f square is not equal to c, so f square is not equal to c, f square is not equal to c, therefore the circle will not touch the y-axis here in this case. So whereas in this case 16 is equal to 16, that is f square is equal to c, means the given circle will touches the y-axis. That's it. So to verify whether the given circle touches the x-axis means g square is equal to c. If g square is not equal to c, then it won't touches the x-axis. That's it. Okay, hope you followed. Now let us take a problem. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0, which are parallel to the line 5x plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is also an important problem. Now just what is to find the equation? See, this is the circle, this is the tangent to the circle and the radius and the center. Just find out the center and radius for the given circle. So the equation 2g is equal to 2, g is equal to 1, 2f is equal to 4, f is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 4. Therefore the center c is equal to minus g comma minus f, minus 1 comma 2. Center is minus 1 comma minus 2 and the radius root of g square plus f square minus c. So r is equal to g square, 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4, f square 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus 4, that's equal to root 9 square of 9 is 3, radius is equal to 3. What is the given line? Find the equation of the tangent to the circle which is parallel to, so parallel to the line which is parallel to the line 5x plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, equation of the line, equation of the tangent, equation of tangent to the circle which is parallel to given line is of the form 5x plus 12y plus k is equal to 0. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Just find out the length of perpendicular from this line to the center. That's equal to the radius. Now, so if it is CP, we know that CP is equal to the radius. So, the length of perpendicular from this is, that is AX1 5 into minus 1 plus 12 into minus 2 plus AX1 plus BY1 plus C. C is nothing but K divided by root of A square 5 square is 25 plus 12 square is 144 is equal to the radius, that is equal to 3. Solve this, you will get the value of K. Substitute in this equation number 1, that will give the required equation of the line. That's it. Now, that's equal to, simplify this, that is mod of minus 5 minus into minus 12 to the 24 plus K divided by root of 144 plus 25 is 169, root 169 is equal to 3. So, this is K minus 29 divided by 13 under mod is equal to 3. So, K minus 29 divided by 13 is equal to plus or minus 3. Now, you can take one positive value. K minus 29 is equal to 3 into 13. K minus 29 is equal to 39, or K is equal to 39 plus 29. 9 plus 9, 18, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 is 68. K is equal to 68. Okay, K is equal to 68. Another value. So, K minus 29 is equal to minus 39. K is equal to minus 39 plus 29. So, K is equal to minus 10. So, there are two values of K. One is 68, another one is minus 10. Therefore, substitute this value of K here. Therefore, the equation of the line parallel to equation of the line. So, therefore, the equation of the line or tangent which are parallel to the given line, parallel to given line is, substitute here, 5x plus 12y, 5x plus 12y plus k means plus 68 is equal to 0. This is one equation. 5x plus 12y plus 68 is equal to 0, or another equation is 5x plus 12y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the another line. So, therefore, the equation of the line parallel to the given line is 5x plus 12y plus 68 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 12y minus 10 is equal to 0. That's it. This is also very important for 5 marks. Hope you follow. This is how we are going to find the value of K whenever the given line is parallel to the given circle or perpendicular parallel to the given circle. So, this is how we are going to solve whenever a problem like the line which is parallel to the given circle, or even whenever the circle touches the y-axis or x-axis. What is the condition we are going to verify is f square is equal to c or g square is equal to c, right. So, these are a few problems based on a tangent to the circle. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concepts in the next session. Thank you very much.